What if I told you if there's a construction methodology that's 40% faster, safer, and could solve a construction crisis? It's already transforming how we build everything from homes to hospitals. So today we're exploring the prefabricated construction and why it's reshaping the entire construction industry. So instead of building everything outside at a challenging construction site, you build parts of the building inside a very controlled environment in a factory. Then you just transport those finished pieces to the construction site where they need to go and put them together. Well, think of it this way. Would you rather cook dinner outside your backyard during a very bad weather, or inside in your kitchen where everything is organized and comfortable? Now I know that that's not a perfect comparison, but you get the idea. That's a similar difference between your regular construction and prefab or prefabricated construction. The advantage you get here is while workers are building your walls and roofs in the factory, other workers are getting the land ready at the same time. They are laying the foundation, running the utilities, and preparing the site simultaneously. So in traditional construction, activities are finished to start dependencies. You have to complete one activity before beginning the next. But in prefab construction, these activities can be done parallelly. That's why prefab can cut down your construction time almost by half. The prefab construction market is absolutely exploding. The global prefabricated building market is expected to reach approximately $269 billion in 2025 and grow to $380 billion by 2030. The market is expanding at CAGR of 7.19% between 2025 and 2030. And by 2030, the market is projected to reach nearly $381 billion with continuous growth anticipated due to ongoing urbanization and sustainability trends. I will leave all the links to the research and data in the description below so that you can check it all by yourself. Safety is where prefab construction becomes a game changer. So traditional construction sites, they generally have a higher injury rates than manufacturing facilities. Prefab moves the majority of construction work into a controlled factory environment. So no weather-related accidents or no falls from scaffolding, no working in extreme temperatures, and no coordination chaos. Factory workers have consistent lighting, proper ergonomics, standardized safety protocols, and immediate emergency response capabilities. So urban construction is where prefab becomes very useful. Picture this, a traditional construction means 18 months of blocked streets, angry neighbors, constant truck traffic, and construction chaos disrupting the entire blocks and colony. Prefab flips this completely. Instead of months of daily material deliveries blocking the street, you get a few coordinated shipments of finished building sections. All the messy, noisy work, the cutting, welding, heavy assembly happens miles away in a quiet factory where it doesn't bother anyone. As cities get more crowded and every piece of land becomes precious, prefab isn't just more convenient, it's often the only way to build at all. Traditional construction happens in uncontrolled environment. Rain, snow, extreme temperatures, and varying skills, it all affects the quality. Prefab manufacturing eliminates these variables. Factory environments allow for consistent processes, standardized procedures, and comprehensive quality checks before shipping the final pieces. We are seeing prefab construction that meets or exceeds traditional building standards, When you can control temperature, humidity, and assembly conditions, you get superior building performance and longevity. So many prefab manufacturers, they offer warranties that traditional contractors simply can't match. This is because they have complete control over the manufacturing processes. Sustainability is driving massive investment in prefab construction, and the environmental benefits are substantial. So factory-controlled manufacturing may reduce material waste by 50% if you compare that to a traditional construction. Size cutting, material optimization, and recycling systems means significantly less construction debris ending up in the landfills. Prefab allows for exact material calculation and better resource utilization. Quality control also means longer lasting buildings with better energy efficiency. The transportation efficiency is also remarkable. Instead of hundreds of individual deliveries to a construction site, you have a few well-coordinated shipments of finished components. So cost is where prefab gets really interesting. While material cost might be similar to traditional construction, total project costs are often significantly lower. The saving comes from the reduced labor cost, shorter project timelines, predictable scheduling, and fewer change orders. The real savings come from the hidden cost, such as shorter financing periods, faster revenue generations, minimal cost overruns. For commercial projects, if you can open your business 6 months earlier, you make much more profit. I would say prefab also offers cost predictability that traditional construction can't match. So is prefab construction the future? The evidence is overwhelming. Labor shortages, urbanization, sustainability demands, and safety requirements all point towards off-site construction solutions. We are seeing integration with advanced manufacturing technologies, design optimization, and smart building system. Major cities are updating building codes to encourage prefab construction. The technology is advancing rapidly, which also means the cost are dropping and quality continues to improve. The construction industry is notoriously slow to change, but prefab represents a fundamental shift that addresses every major challenge the industry faces, which is speed, cost, quality, safety, and sustainability. So alright, please share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.